Hello and welcome to another tutorial of TechUK channel. In this video, we're going to talk about button in HTML and using some JavaScript to change behavior of the button here. So let's get started. First, we need to create a button like this button, push me. And you can see this is the button. You can push it and nothing changes here. It's a button. So we need to personalize it by a CSS style, background color, black, color, blue, or red. I prefer red. And let's save it. And we can round these corners, border radius 5 pixels. And that's more like it. And another attribute on click, do something, on click, do something. Okay, and now we need to type another text that we want to change, p paragraph, and in the paragraph we use id, test, and hello. Now we are going to type a script, JavaScript here, and function do something, curly braces, document dot get element by id, and test, that's the id that we gave there, hello dot inner html equals to goodbye or how are you. Save it. Oh, I forgot here to put this parentheses. Hello, how are you? And if I just refresh it, how are you? Hello, how are you? The purpose of this tutorial is creating a button and on click what you do and create a script, a simple script here for just pushing this button. Thank you for your watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, and if you are, hit the subscribe button so you won't miss my future videos.